What up, guys? Ryan Irwin here with you, giving you an update. So I'm on day 3 of post shoulder surgery, where they fixed my supraspinatus, and so far so good. First, I would just like to say the roughest part of this whole ordeal is the lack of sleep. There really is no way to get comfortable at night. I've tried sleeping in many different positions. It just doesn't happen. It's common, and it's something that they tell you that's going to happen. I usually get about 2 or 3 hours of sleep. Then I take another dose of pain meds, and then I usually get maybe a couple more hours of sleep. But again, it's not a good solid sleep. But at the same time, right now I'm not very active, so it's not like I'm dragging throughout the day and feel sleep deprived. So that's a good thing. But it's super frustrating anyway, because we all like to get our sleep. Speaking of pain meds, I am on my way to get myself off of them. I've been taking 2 different pain meds. I've been alternating oxycodone along with Tylenol. Been taking the codeine every 4 hours, and then the Tylenol every 4 hours, so a 2 hour split between one or the other. So I've pretty much got the codeine to just before bed and throughout the night. Tylenol I'm still taking. I'm sore, but it's bearable. I could probably use a little bit of that codeine to help take the edge off, but again, it's bearable. So I want to get off that codeine for a few reasons. One, I just don't like being on painkillers. 2, I want to be able to drive, and that's one of those things that shouldn't really be taken while you're driving. And 3, a side effect of this is constipation. Thankfully, I haven't had issues with that yet. However, I don't want to test the matter, and so I just want to get off that as soon as possible. So pushing the water, staying on top of my nutrition, keeping my protein intake high, eating good whole foods, just really trying to give my body every advantage it can to heal. I've been icing each hour for about 20 minutes, and when I ice it, my shoulder, I've got some basic exercises I do with my hand. I squeeze a therapy ball and do a few other things, just mainly to help improve blood flow, which will help with the healing there. So I went for a walk today with the dogs, and that went pretty well. So nice to get out and just get moving a little bit. So far so good. Hoping that tomorrow we'll get more inroads and continue to make progress. Pretty soon, I think I'm going to start my exercise program, where I'm doing my right side upper body with just bands and some very light weights, and then same thing with my lower body. So all in all, progress is good. Sleep sucks, and hopefully that will improve shortly as well. So again, appreciate everybody's support. Thanks for checking in, and we'll keep you posted.